Today we're talking about selecting multiple instances of a style in Scrivener 3 for Windows and why you might want to do this. When we looked at creating styles in the last video, there was an option to highlight all incidents of that style with a colour. But what if you don't have that? How else can you search for a particular style? Well, let's open up the Styles panel again. If you right-click on a style, you'll see several options, one of which is Select all text with paragraph style, or character style, depending on which style you're highlighting. What this does is to highlight every instance of that style in your editor. You can also do this using the three dots at the bottom of the panel, with Select Style Range that expands around a cursor, and Select All Style, which shows all instances. However, if you want to easily jump through your document without scrolling, you might be better using a Find by Formatting command. This option is under the Edit Find menu. Select Find Style and in the style list select your style. This will enable you to jump from one to another. And as the window can stay open whilst you're working, this may be an easier method.